Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the Instax Wide EVO, a super stylish hybrid camera that's a whole lot of fun. Everything about this camera is really cool, from its sleek and elegant design to its features, so let's take a look. We've got a 16 megapixel CMOS sensor which captures images at a print-ready 318 dpi, a 3.5-inch high-resolution LCD screen, built-in selfie mirror, tripod mount, and USB-C charging. As this is a hybrid instant camera, we've also got a micro SD card slot here too, so you can save a digital copy of any of the shots that you take. The Instax Wide EVO has endless creative possibilities. It features 10 different lens effects and 10 different film effects, which can all be adjusted further by twisting the lens, so you can really get as creative or not as you want with your photography. The lens effects and film effects are controlled via these two dials and features things like light leak, double exposure, monochrome, vivid, and more. If we head to the menu, there are also options for face detection and self-timer, amongst other things, and on the front here, we've got the option to switch from a wide-angled view to not. Great for adding a bit more flexibility and control over how you use the camera. You can connect the Instax Wide EVO to your smartphone via the app. It is really simple to do. Just make sure you've got the right app downloaded, connect via Bluetooth on your phone, and follow the on-screen instructions. Simple as that. Once connected, you can use your phone as a remote shutter, which is a great feature to have for self-portraits and also group shots if you don't want to race against the self-timer. The app also allows a direct print option, which essentially means you can just turn the camera into a printer for all of your favorite pictures that are stored on your phone. And there's also the Discover feed, which allows you to view other Instax Wide EVO users' work and the settings that they've used, so the lens or film effect or both, and how much they've adjusted it to. You can then download and save that as kind of like a preset, ready to go for the next time you use your camera. That's kind of cool, no? In the box, you'll find pretty much everything you need to get going. The camera, lens cap, shoulder strap, USB-C cable, and information booklet. So that does mean that you will need to get yourself some film before you start printing. As the name would suggest, the Instax Wide EVO only takes the Instax Wide film, so make sure you get the right sort, but there is lots of variety to choose from. You've got different frame options, and if you want to shoot in black and white or color. I absolutely adore Instax cameras, and I love the fact that you've got so much control when it comes to this one. Not only would it be great if you just want to take those fun, quick snaps when you're hanging out with your friends, but the fact that it connects to your smartphone just means you've got a whole lot more flexibility if you want to share those more unique styled shots to your social media. Now, if you'd like to find out any more information on the Instax Wide EVO, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.